Durban's popular beachfront has been temporarily closed to the public following an alert about unusually high waves. The decision was made to ensure the safety of beachgoers as strong currents and massive swells battered the coastline. Dramatic aerial footage circulating online shows powerful waves crashing onto the shore, submerging walkways and sending sprays of seawater high into the air. Lifeguards and emergency personnel have been deployed to monitor the situation and enforce the temporary closure. Authorities are urging residents and visitors to avoid the beach area and remain cautious, as the unpredictable waves pose significant risks. Updates on the reopening of the beach will be provided once the situation stabilizes.